Hello everyone. Today I wanted to show you how I made a copycat of this web app called Tap Bio. I decided to make my own in GlideApps. One, because I love a good challenge. Two, learning to no code. And three, I didn't feel like paying for this. So Tap Bio is an app that sells itself as a one-link destination for Instagram. Because in Instagram, you can only have a link for one URL. It can take you to this, where you can have your bio, links to your Instagram photos, and your photos display on Tap Bio, and then another page that has more links to things like your newsletter or a website, whatever you feel like putting in there. So I am going to copy Emma Lovewell. She is a Peloton trainer. I liked the look of hers, so this is what I tried to emulate in GlideApps. So if we come over to Glide, this is what we get. So here's what I tried to copy: a photo, a bio, social links, and then a page that goes to photos, and then a page that has a subscribe to newsletter. So first page, I got the photo, social links, and bio. I have a page that resembles the tabs or tiles are called, kind of tile layout. And then I have the final page with a subscribe to newsletter and a link to the No Code Devs website. All right, I did this with a simple Google Sheet where I have 3 tabs on the Google Sheet that link directly to the tabs that show up on the app. So I have a column for my name, a description, the photo URL, links to the social sites, and a description on the home page. And when you add them to GlideApps, you can see this is how they show up using the details layout. For each additional tab, they're all, for me, simple columns. I decided to showcase the other no-code apps that I built by having a column for name, the image URL, description of the image, and the link that you'll be taken to when you click the image. And then for the contact page, it's also very similar. The image URL, name, description, and the 2 websites that I want the app to go to. So to add those tabs, I just went to the tabs, and then I click this plus button. And then it shows all the tabs in the Google Sheet. I've already added them, so you can see them here. You can click, let's see, we're in the About Me. You can click and rename this if you don't like it. Call it Contact. It changes. So there's a lot that you can change around. You have fun playing around with in GlideApps after you've got your data in. So for instance, if you want to change the layouts, you go to this Layout tab. Notice I've used the details to get the big image. I added components. You have a list of all sorts of things you can add. Buttons, media, lists. And if you click on it, then you can edit the features and the layout of the button. Change the look and feel. And then on the My Apps, I use the tiles, and I just changed around how the data looks on the tile. So I can have it show the image URL for the title. I just want the name. And then the description. These are all what show up. This is all the same data that I have in my Google Sheet. And then down here you can play with the look and feel of what the tiles look like. So that is how I made a Copycat Tap Bio App using GlideApps. So we see what this looks like in the browser. Here is the full thing. So looks pretty similar. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching.